Welcome back, class. This video is going to discuss today's entrance ticket questions and answers. So please make sure you pay close attention and you pause and rewind the video as needed to help with your entrance ticket. So your first word is unity. Unity is the elements of design working together. When you think of people working together, we're all unified for one cause. And in art, it's the same idea where everything works together. And in this image, this shows unity to show the constant theme where all these images are interconnecting and follow the same theme, the same pattern. So the best way to remember unity is to think of a theme where everything is cohesive, everything's together, everything works with one another to create the overall artwork. So it's a pretty tough definition to initially wrap your head around, but basically as long as everything in your artwork is working together and everything's the same theme, everything supports one another, that is unity. Everything's basically just working together to make the image very clear and powerful. So that is unity. And then our last word for today is focal point. Focal point is a subject or space that demands the viewer's attention. So these two images below, it's pretty obvious which object draws our attention. So I'll ask you just to take a second to look at those. So these focal points are pretty clear, and the image over here with all the green apples, the focal point is that red apple. That's where your eye should have gone. And then over here with these chess pieces, the one object that's different from all the others is the white piece, and that's where your eye should go. So these are just two different ways of creating a focal point to demand your attention. A focal point can be created by the placement of something, the size of something, even the difference of something, the one thing that's different in color, shape, or size. That is how you make a focal point. And unity and focal point are important in this project specifically because since you're telling a story, a narrative in your art, sometimes it's good to have a focal point to help draw the viewer's eye to a specific place in your paper to show the importance of that story. And also as far as unity, we talked about having a theme or make sure that everything works together. Your story, all the elements, the subject, the action, the place, the environment, the color, all the details, all those things should work together. They should all be unified to tell that same story. So both of these words are very relevant to this project. That is all I have to discuss for today. So please make sure that you answer what is unity and what is a focal point in your entrance ticket today. Once you do, please submit that for your easy 2 points and then spend the rest of the class working on your project. You should be about 80% done coloring your project today since your project is due the next class in the Day 7 folder. All right, I look forward to seeing your projects. We're almost done and almost ready to move on to the next unit. So just make sure you're working hard and getting that done and earning that prestigious A. All right, guys, I will see you shortly. Bye, everyone.